How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1968 Mercury Cougar. You just don't see these cars. They're hard to come by. Super nice, clean, solid car. All original panel car. Done in its factory colors. The green with the caramel interior. Super nice car. All the grill, headlight doors, all that's the original, all in excellent condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. It's got the bullnose hood scoop, just a really cool add-on to the car. And the car's nice down the sides and straight. All the trim on the car is original and really good condition. Got the factory Magnum wheels. All the panel fitment's really nice on the car. It's all original taillights, and they are the sequential. You'll see in the video. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. I believe most all the glass in the car is all the original. Car looks real good down the sides. And it's got the original 302. It's got aluminum intake, factory 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes. The hood is functional scoop. It's just a cool car. The gentleman that I got it from, he's owned the car since, I think he said 2014. He just hardly ever drove it, he said. He started a new project. All the jams, interior in the car, it's believed to be most all original, and it is excellent condition. The headlight is really nice and tight. Got all the front and rear seat belts. Got the deluxe wood wheel in it. Driver's seat does have a tear there in the seam. You know, that could be repaired. Other than that, the interior is excellent. All inside the trunk's real nice. Got the spare, jack, everything. Jam looks good. It's just a super cool car. All the gauges work. They did do a AM/FM, CD stereo in the car. It fits real nice in the dash, the console there. It's got the Cougar mats. Dig the center console in these cars. Thing fires right off. We actually had to flush the fuel system in the car from sitting. Headlight doors, they all work just like they should. Got nice duals out the back. Got the C4 trans, 302. It's got 9-inch Ford rear. See the sequential taillights, really cool. So it's just a cool car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.